In this lesson, let's go and learn about the how to add our bottom-up navigation. So whenever we click on that button, we can go to the previous activity. So currently, if we are in the profile and when we click on uh, the action up button, so we should go back to the home. If you check on the navigation base, so you should see that we have created a navigation graph over here. So whenever we are in our add task and when we click a back button, we should go to the home screen, and from the profile, when we click on a back button, we should go to the home screen. So we have to implement that one. So for that, we need to add let's add a button over here, which is of action bar navigation up, and when we click on that one, we should go to the home that what we have set over here. The starting whatever we have set over here, we should be navigating back to that activity or fragment. So let's go and get started. For that one, we have already added a menu, and let's go to our code over here and let's create a toolbar. So currently we have not added a toolbar over here, and what I will do is I will create a toolbar. So private let init var of let's say toolbar, or we can just call this as a toolbar, and that's of material toolbar. So we are making use of material toolbar. So toolbar. Okay, so we have a toolbar, and what we need to do is we have already added a toolbar, and next step is to set up this toolbar. So we have not initialized this toolbar. So what I will do is I will just go over here and let's say that the toolbar is of equals to what was the ID that we have set for our toolbar is equals to toolbar. So I think just copy this one and just paste it over here. Yeah, I think we have a same name, that's why we are not able to get it. So what I will do is I think I just rename the ID for this toolbar as a what I can say is I can just say as a toolbar something or app bar. So let's give an ID of a toolbar. So just copy that one and just paste it over here. Toolbar as of a material toolbar. So I'm just changing a name over here because here also we have created a variable toolbar, and the ID for our toolbar was also the toolbar. So I just added an underscore over here just to separate and just make sure that we don't get confused at what you are actually trying to do. So this is of our material toolbar, that's why I have to cast it as a material toolbar. And since we have a toolbar already, and we can just go over here and say as a toolbar the setup with the nav controller, and we can just add a nav controller over there, and this is for our toolbar. And here we can override a function of on supported nav bar up. Here we can just return our nav controller. So that is of nav controller dot nav up. So with the help of this nav up, we will get a action bar navigation up. So we have added that one, and I think that should work. So let's try to run the application, and if you go back to let's go to the enumerator over here, and let's wait for the application to get started. And let's try to okay, so we have a home over here. Just add. Okay, so we have that one. If you click on back, it should go to the home. If you go to the profile, if you click on this button, so nav up, it should go to the home. So that's working as expected. So if you just click on that, should go to the home profile. Yeah, that's working perfectly fine. So we don't have any issue with that one. We have successfully added our action navigation up action button over here. And the next thing that we may need to change is the color of this one. So if you don't like the color for this one, we can change the color. So what we will do is we will just go and change the color of our action but up over here. So let's go to our toolbar over here, and let's add a text color. So I will just say as a title text color, so it should be of a white. And if you run the application, that should change the title color, so this color should be of a white for now. And let's wait for 2 seconds. And yeah, if you go over here, you can see we have a white color for our title, and we need to change the color for our back button or the action up. So what I will do is I'll just go and add a theme. So we can just say Android.theme, and we can just go off a style. I can just add this DYLE add style / theme overlay. We can just call it as a dark action bar. Just add a dark action bar over here. The theme Android, the theme style, theme overlay, that app compact, the dark action bar. If you run the application, and now it should change the color for our action up. That should be of something like a white. I guess it should be of a white. Yeah, so we have a white color. So we have successfully changed the action up as well as the title color. So I think that's all for this lesson, and we'll continue with our lesson in the next video. Till then, have a great day.